Learn A to Z kindness. A for ask someone to play. B for be considerate. C for compliment someone. D for donate a toy or book to a charity shop. A for encourage your friends. F for friends need you to look out for them. G for give someone your biggest smile. H for hug a friend or family member. I for invite someone to sit with you. J for join a charity and raise money. K for kind words always. L for listen to your friends. M for manners remember yours. N for notice how others are feeling. O for open your heart. P for praise someone. Q for quiet when the teacher is talking. R for ring a family member. S for stand up for your friends. T for tell a joke and make someone laugh. U for use your kind hands. V for value your friends. W for write a thank you notes. X for excel yourself with kindness. Y for you can care and show empathy. Z for zero meanness. Thank you. Nice to meet you.